I feel like say Big Wiz still pass that fella who na dey talk about. I no just feel prove am because I no dey there, I no follow stream fella song.
Community people, come on, gather around, my dear.
Bam.
Okay.
Kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín tẹ́ pé láyé Wizkid FC.
Iṣẹ́ wetin?
Kò ní dá fún yín sẹ́.
Jesus. Now you talk this thing.
Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe?
Mami sí o.
No be say I dey swear, I say una papa no go do better. That one na no be swear, na statement. Because he no do better already. He raised you people. I say your highest achievement as a Wizkid FC is that you can do leg work. Finish. Saying it now, clearly open to all of you. I am attacking Wizkid fans, and yet Wizkid has done nothing to me. Doesn't that mean he no send una?
Jesus!
Hello, Machala Jackson. Baba, you reply am.
Tell me what I.
Mo sọ fún yín gbà yẹn. Mo ní ká ní sùúrù, mo sọ fún yín.